What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the IKON V3 front bumper lip. Right there. Now for this install you want to have two people because it is kind of flimsy. But if you don't have another person you can just use a jack on the other side when you're putting in the clips and everything, or the screws. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a drill with a drill bit smaller than the screw itself. These are self-tapping, but I figure it just makes it easier to put a hole in these little marks that come on the lip to tell you where to put the screws in. After you drill those holes, it'll make everything so much easier. Alright, let's get started. Alright, got the holes drilled. You see the little small pilot holes. And when you drill them, there's going to be like excess plastic or whatever right here. So you can choose your fingernails and just scrape it off. Try to get it as flush as possible so there's no gap when you're putting in the screws. Now we're going to jack up the car and figure out how I'm going to put this on. So I have watched a couple YouTube videos on this front lip kit, but it was for a WRX. I guess they do it differently. They have the pop clips that's already installed. You put, I think it's like 4 pop clips or whatever in, and then you just screw in the rest. But for this, it's literally all screws. There's 13 screws that you have to screw into the bumper, and it doesn't utilize any of the pop clips or anything like that. So doing this with one person's probably gonna be kind of tough, but I'm gonna see what I can do. I got the jack, doing support on one side. I'm gonna do a little time-lapse video. So here we go, wish me luck. And of course, as I'm doing this, my drill dies. So this is the progress that I have so far. Fitment is pretty good. There's no gaps. I just need to put in one more behind here and on the other side back here, and then these 3. And then it'll be done. And then I'll do a before and after. But in the meantime, I'm gonna have to charge my drill or use a screwdriver, which I really don't want to do. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, the drill's all charged up, so I'm gonna finish this and take it off the jacks, and then I'll do a little shooter before and after. Alright. Alright, that's it for the install. The only concern that I have really is down here. It's a little wiggly, so I might get the supporting rods to go up here. Other than that, I think it turned out great. So if you like it, put a comment down below. Next, for my next video, I'm going to be installing the roof diffuser vortex thing. The only problem is this doesn't fit with the shark fin, so I'm gonna have to cut it, and that's gonna be fun. I also have the Valenti light bar. I've been waiting on that for a while. So those are two installs. It's coming up soon. All right, peace.